Guys, we're back. This is Jen again from the Academy of 21st Century Learning. Today we are conquering the lattice method. Again, another way to do multiplication. And again, as we remember, our kids are all different. So for some kids, this really works for them and it's incredibly easy. Some of your kids might battle through it, but that's what we're here for. So the lattice method, we're going to take 75 times 83. We're very similar to the area model. We're going to draw a big square. And then this time, instead of expanding the numbers, we're just gonna write the numbers in value. So I put a 7 and a 5 here, an 8 and a 3 here. Again, like the area model, we do break it up into 4 squares, but this time, we're gonna cut those squares into diagonals. And we end up with something that looks like a lattice pattern, hence the name lattice method. And I wanna write that down for you guys. Great. Okay, so now what we do, the tens place will go in the top corner box, the ones place goes in the bottom corner box. So we'll start with 8 times 5. 8 times 5, as we know, is 40. 7 times 8, my favorite rhyme, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 times 8 is 56. 5 times 3, in this box, we go down the 5 column over to the 3, so that's gonna be 15. Again, I put that 1, 10 here in the top corner box, and the 5 ones in that bottom corner. And then our final one, 7 times 3, 21. I put the 2 here for the 20, and the 1 here. And the way lattice method works, this diagonal right here is our ones place. So then ones place is going to be a 5. And then if we look, our tens place is right here in this diagonal. So the next diagonal up from the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Our hundreds place, you guessed it, good job Mom and Dad, is right here. And I always teach kids just to make addition as easy as possible to try and find those tens, because adding off of 10 is very, very easy. So there's my 10. 6 plus 4, 10, plus 2, 12. So I put the ones here, and just like regular addition, multiplication, and subtraction, I carry that one up. Finally, my thousands place, right here. So I add the 5 plus the 1 that I just carried, making my thousands place 6. So the answer to this problem is 6,225. And I always tell my kids to check it because I always want them to be self-reliant and independent. So we'll come over here and check our work. The old standard way, 5 times 3, 15, carry that 1. 3 times 7, 21, plus 1, 22. And then again, because we're now multiplying by the 80, we put our 0 there. 8 times 5, 40, carry the 4. 8 times 7, 56, plus 4 is 60. We add that together. I'm gonna get a 5 in the ones, a 2 in the tens, a 2 in the hundreds, forgive that technical difficulty there, and a 6 in the thousands place, making our answer 6,225. And if you look at this answer and the answer we got before, we are right, so it checks out. Check us out at www.academy21learning.com and let us know if you'd like more help. Comment below. Thanks.